Hi everyone, and this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you a nice method to make money online just by using Google Translate. And heads up, in this video I'm not gonna show you any translation nor transcription services, but a great idea that will help you more in your online business. And now let's get started in our today's method. That begins with the first step. You gotta have an article or a blog post about any topic you like. And you know there are three ways to get an article. Either you can write it yourself if you are an expert in a field or a niche, or you can rewrite or rephrase articles that are existing already in the internet. So you can scrap Google to find your articles that you wanna rewrite later, or you can go directly to some directories or a library of articles, like this awesome website that is so called designarticles.com. Here you can find almost any articles about any topic or any niche. Here you can find a lot of dedicated authors and writers who wrote articles about many topics, many categories, as you see here: finance, cancer, insurance, pets, kids and teens, investment, so on and so forth. Here you can find a huge library of articles in various niches. So you can get your article from here and rephrase it and rewrite it and a lot of websites out there like killpat.com or this awesome website that's so called paraphrase.it. You can rewrite and rephrase your article without any limit of characters and for free. Or you can use this awesome website that is spinrewriter.com. Here you can rewrite your articles to different 5 articles just with one click. And the best part here in spinrewriter.com, it gives you a free trial of 5 days to try this awesome website. So you can rewrite your articles as you want. Or the third way, you can get help from AI tool and copywriting assistants. And of course, there are a lot out there like Jasper, Writesonic, Copy, Writer.me, Niches, and so on. And for instance, if we go directly to niches.com, one of the best copywriting assistants out there I recommend, because you can find a lot of AI items that will help you more in your online business, either in YouTube, plugin, and social media marketing campaigns. And you can find an amazing template to get an article just with one click. So I used this awesome template to get this article in weight loss niche, as here entitled 7 Habits That Destroy Your Weight Loss Journey. As you see, an amazing introduction passing through a lot of headings and subheadings and with a conclusion. So here you can get a blog post or an article about any topic. And now let's go together to the next step in our today's method. Just you can go to Google Translate. And here in Google Translate, you will translate your English content into another popular language like Spanish, Portuguese, and German. And for sure, the pieces of content in English have much competition than ones in different languages. And if we can focus on Spanish language, to your record, there are a lot and over 600 million people who are speaking Spanish in different 20 countries. And if we look for some YouTube channels in Spanish, you can find a lot of views and subscribers, such as Mr. Beast in Espanol, CNN in Espanol, and etc. So you can translate your English content to the same content in Spanish. And picture that and think about it. By that way, in translating your content to a different language, here you can convert the content in English with high competition niche like weight loss, for example, to the same content in another language with somehow lower competition in the same niche. Yes. So you can make your articles in Spanish about weight loss and bodybuilding, and you can find somehow lower competition than the same content in English language. So here in Google Translate, you can use to translate your content and your articles that we have got from the first step. So for example, just you can go to our article that talks about 7 habits that destroy your weight loss journey. So for example, you can get the first paragraph quickly and for example, okay, copy and go to Google Translate and select your English, Control V as you see, and here you can select your target language like Spanish, for example, Spanish, as you see, perfect. So now you can translate this article paragraph by paragraph to the new language, that is Spanish or Portuguese or German. Okay, and the third step in our today's method, just you can look for a lot of affiliate products that provide a landing page in Spanish or Portuguese and German languages, like this awesome affiliate network, that is nutriprofits.com. One of the best affiliate networks that contains a lot of offers and products in some specific niches like weight loss, bodybuilding, skincare, beauty, and so on. And the best part here in nutriprofits.com, here you can sign up for free without any strings attached. Like you don't have to have a website or followers on social media and so on. And the best thing here in NutriProfits regarding its offers, here you can find lifetime cookies. Yes, lifetime cookies. So you can sign up for free and just in a matter of seconds. The dashboard of your account here on nutriprofits.com, and you can go to offers. Following that, here you can find a lot of affiliate products in different categories as I said before, like in weight loss, bodybuilding, skincare, meal enhancement, and so on. So now you gotta select some affiliate products that are relevant to your topics and your articles. Like for weight loss, for example, in our today's method, like in this one, for example, we can select this amazing product, Fat Burn Active. So you can go to it. As you see, with this awesome commission. And the best part here in nutriprofits.com, here you can find its landing page in different languages, as you see, for Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, and so on. So here you can find your landing page, your promoting page of your product in different languages, including Spanish, Portuguese, and German. So you can find in Spanish, as you see, Spain, as you see. So you can copy this link, for example, and let's try it in another browser. And voila, here you can find your landing page in Espanol or in Spanish. That your completely article and your blog post with its content and its affiliate products in Spanish from A to Z. So now we can move on to the fourth step in our today's method, that you can share your articles in Spanish. So we can go together to this awesome website that's so-called medium.com. One of the best and the most popular websites for writers and authors to share their ideas and stories about any topic, about any niche. So here you can sign up for free to write your stories and your articles in any language as you like. So here you can publish your articles in Spanish about any niche, like in weight loss in our today's method. So we can go back to Google Translate, where we translate our content into Spanish. So we can copy this one, for example, quickly, this entire paragraph. Perfect. Copy and go back to medium.com. Expression like this one, as you see. Introduction and the first paragraph, and so on and so forth. So you can translate your paragraphs from the original article, then translate it in Google Translate, and copy and paste in medium.com. And of course, you gotta insert your affiliate link in between your paragraphs. So you can write a powerful call to action to motivate your readers to click over this affiliate link. Thus, to get a powerful call to action that motivates people and drives people to click over this affiliate link to weight loss, to lose their weight. So we can go together to niches.com, okay, and select something like executor. Perfect, this one, for example, and give it name like this one quickly, to give us a powerful call to action to promote our product. So for promoting product, for example, and here in this command, give me 3 calls to action to promote my product to lose weight, for example. And of course we can add something like give me 3 creative or powerful or engaging and something like that, and get your content. And just in a snap, here you can find 3 creative call to actions, as you see, ready to shed those extra pounds, and so on and so forth. So we can get this first one. Okay, and go back to Google Translate to translate this call to action as well. So just you can remove this entire paragraph, Control V, and then you can get your powerful call to action in your new language, that is Spanish. So you can copy it and go to medium.com, where you can publish your article as you see. So now we can link this call to action with your affiliate link that we have taken from nutriprofits.com. And now we can go back to nutriprofits.com to get our affiliate link in Spanish. As you see, Spain, copy link and go back to medium.com and our article. And now we can link your call to action with your affiliate link as you see. Perfect. Awesome. So now, of course, you can add a lot of pictures and images that are relevant to your topic about weight loss and how to shed a lot of extra pounds and so on and so forth to make your article more engaging and more appealing to readers. And of course, you can repeat this process and publish your articles in medium.com in different topics, in different niches. And of course, you can publish your articles as well in different websites and platforms like this one, for example, livejournal.com. Here you can sign up for free and share your ideas as we have done in medium.com. Or this awesome website that is so-called substack.com, one of the best websites for authors, readers in the United States. You can share your articles and even you can make them exclusive to readers by a subscription or a membership. That way you can get a lot of traffic from medium.com, livejournal and substack.com to your articles and your affiliate links. And in addition, there is another channel to publish your articles and your affiliate links in your content in Spanish. Like you can create a business page on Instagram and Pinterest that are targeting Spanish people. You can make a lot of posts about tips and tricks for weight loss and so on in Spanish languages. And therefore you can add your link in bio in Spanish that contains a lot of affiliate products, your website, your YouTube channel and so on. And here a good question comes up: how to create our post in Spanish quickly? It's simple and easy. So you can go together to canva.com and of course you can search for Instagram posts, for example, and here we can get a lot of ready to use templates like this one, for example. So we can look for something like weight loss, okay, or fitness or workouts and something like that, as you see. So we can get one of these beautiful tips and tricks like this one, for example. Okay, customize this template. And now how we can translate this English post into Spanish post. It's easy and simple by using an amazing feature and tool in canva.com. So here you can go to this left panel and go down a little bit to find this one, translate your post. Click over that and translate from automatically detect that is English, as you see, and translate it to your new target language, like in our case Spanish. So we can look for it, Spanish, as you see, and just you can select your page you want to translate and translate it, and just in few seconds all these words would be translated into Spanish or Portuguese or German as you select in this step, as you see. And by the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.